Welcome back to CAD Station. Today we are going to draw this part. As you can see, we have drawn it from this sketch. It's quite you can say simple, or we are going to use mirror feature. As you can see, these two upper and lower parts are same, so we have to draw only one and then we can mirror it. And similarly for these two are also common, so we can draw one and mirror it. So hope you guys can try this. So let's just start. You can see this is the finalized part. Here this one, this part and this part, this is same, so we can mirror, and similarly these two are same, so we can mirror. So let's just start our drawing. First, go to new part, select part. Okay, now you can see I'm going to draw this rectangle, so I'm going to choose front plane, sketch. I'm going to select center point rectangle from origin to a rectangle. Now its dimension is 12 by height is 50. Smart dimension. This side is of 12 mm and this side is of 50 mm. Okay, now you can see this we have to extrude it up to how much we can extrude it 50. You can see it shows 50. So let's go to features, extrude boss base and extrude up to 50, and I'm going to reverse its direction by clicking on reverse direction arrow. Okay, now it's done. As I have told, I have drawn these. Now I have to draw this upper part, or I can draw this lower part. So select any one face, upper or lower. I am going to select lower part, or you can let's select upper part. Sketch, control 8. Now you can see what we have to draw. Here is a hole, then outer circle. So I'm going to select center line, or you can select a line and then for construction and find the midpoint. Here is the midpoint. Made a line, escape, circle, draw two circles, one and second. Here's a tip. You have when you are sketching, first draw roughly sketch. As you can see, I have not mentioned any dimensions, so I can mention dimensions at the end of this sketch. So I draw a line, then two circles. Furthermore, we can now make dimensions from origin or center point to the edge, and distance is 25. So smart dimension, this line is of complete 25 mm. Inner circle is of dia 18 and outer of radius 12.5. 18, this is of 18, this is of 12.5 into 2. As 12.5 is the radius, for diameter I am going to multiply it by 2. Okay, now you can see I am going to select line from this edge to a line here, and chin from these to just draw this. Okay, now select these two and make a relation tangent. Okay, similarly select these two and make a relation tangent. Okay, now simple, trim entities and trim this line, trim this line. Okay, now it's done. Now you can see its height is 50, but we have to extrude it. How much we can extrude it? Of 12. How I can say 12? This is of 50, so if you minus 25, then yeah, it's 26. So 26, 12 and 12. So features: extrude boss base. We have to extrude in the body, so I'm going to inverse the direction. Select contours, select this contour and make a dimension 12 mm. Okay, now you can see this is of height, here is a gap of 12. So if you calculate, or I am going to just, here's our drawing. So if I click on this control 8, you can see I have extruded it up to 19 mm. So similarly 19 mm, our sketch. Okay, and now we have to extrude it. Features: extrude. First select sketch, edit sketch. Now features, select these two circles, show, select these, extrude boss base, extrude again reverse direction, and furthermore we have to extrude these two. So first select this circle, press Ctrl this circle, and now extrude up to, you can see it's going outside, reverse direction and dimension of 19. Okay, now it's done. You can see it shows the sketch, so hide sketch. Okay, now I'm going to mirror it. We have to mirror, so front plane and mirror. Which body or which part I have to mirror? I have to mirror this one and this one. Okay, now it's done. Control 8, and now this side, you can see this is the isometric view. It's done this side. Now we have to draw this. You can see this face and this face are collinear, so just select this face, control 8 and sketch. Okay, now roughly sketch from here, this one, this line and this line, just go through this. So line command, from this edge little height, then here, then this. Now you have to draw, see here I have drawn this line. Now I have to draw a semicircle. So for semicircle or for an arc, you can see how I do this. Just when it's drawing line, go back to the point and again draw this. Okay, now you can see I have a vertical line. Now I have to mention or take care of this line too. Now it shows intersecting point. Click here, draw a line of, yeah, it shows. Okay, now here and here. Okay, now it's done. Now make two circles, or you can draw it later. I'm going to draw it later, but you can draw these two circles, this inner one hole and this extruded part. It's up to you. Similarly, I am going to mention some dimensions. You can see it's 25, it's 13. First of all, smart dimension. This is of 25. Okay, this one is of 13. Okay, its outer radius is 25. It's by default already of 25. Okay, now this is of 25, and this will becomes the 13. Okay, now you have to extrude up to 50 minus this one is 50 minus 26, so it's 24, and half of 24 is 12, so we have to extrude it up to 12. Here, features, extrude was base, select this contour, reverse direction, and of dimension 12 mm. Okay, now you can see it's done. Again select this sketch, control 8 for normal 2. Now draw two circles, one of 14 dia and one of 30. Circle, find the center point of these. One circle, two circle, smart dimension 14 and 30. Inner one is of 14, outer one is of 30. Now what we have to do, press escape. Now features, and we have to extrude it up to, you can see it shows 62 minus 50 is 12, and half of 12 is 6, so we have to extrude it up to 6. Features, extrude up to 6 mm. Okay, and furthermore select these and features, extrude cut, first convert entities, sketch, select this circle and convert. It shows okay, no problem. Extrude cut, select contours, and for select contours select this face only and delete sketch 4, and we have to cut through all. Okay, now you can see it's done. As I have told in the starting of the video, we can mirror it. For mirror, first of all select this, control 8. Now I have to mirror these, so first of all find the plane which is on the mid of this face. So front plane, right plane. Front plane is on the edge, so what we have to do, if I have to mirror it on this side, to mirror we need a plane on the middle of both surfaces of both parts. So reference geometry, plane, I need a plane of front plane at a distance of half of this side is 25, and what it has done, edit features, 25 millimeter and flip. Okay, now it's easy to mirror this geometry. So to select face or plane, select the plane. Now features, to mirror this one, and this one. Okay, now you can see it's done. Simply click on plane and hide this. Now you can change the color. Go to appearance. It's okay. Furthermore, click on this, click this, also press Ctrl, select this, and select this. Click on appearance, and it's become gray. Okay. To differentiate between whole. Okay, it's only. Now it's up to you. Change the appearance, perspective, and you can isometric view. Now it's done. As you can see, this is your sketch and this is your finalized drawing. So hope you guys can understand this tutorial. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like the tutorial, then share to your friends, like the video, and invite your friends to subscribe CAD Station. Thank you.